everyone, we're going to find derivative of y with respect to x by implicit differentiation. We have x squared plus xy minus y squared equals 4. So basically, just to set it up, we're going to differentiate, means you write a differentiate with respect to x at both sides of the equation. And then do differentiate the 4. And what we're going to do is differentiate each piece of this, each of those terms. And this one right here is going to be the product rule because we have a multiplication there. So for the first piece, that's going to be 2x. And we differentiated x with respect to x. Plus, now for this one, you're going to copy down your x times the derivative of y. Derivative of y is 1. And we took the derivative of y with respect to x. I'm not going to put the 1 because it's a little redundant. Then you have to add, you take the derivative of x, which is 1. So we have y left. 1 times y is y. When you multiply, but that was the derivative of x with respect to x because we differentiated the x. All right, so that's the product rule. Minus 2y. And that was the derivative of y with respect to x. And then derivative of 4 is 0. Now I'm going to do two things here. Derivative of x with respect to x equals 1. So I'm going to cross those two out. And I'm also going to rewrite derivative of y with respect to x as y prime. The reason I'm doing that is because it looks nicer. Especially if you're doing a lot of these, the y prime is a little easier to look at. So we just have 2x plus x, and we're going to put y prime. Plus y minus 2y, y prime equals 0. Now you don't have to do this step, but it's good to know both ways. You can still leave it as derivative of y with respect to x. All right, so we have to solve. I'm going to group my terms with y prime in it on the left-hand side. And I'm going to move these two terms over to the left-hand side. So in both cases, I'm subtracting. Now, factor out your y prime, because that's what we're trying to solve for. And we get x minus 2y. And the final step is just divide both sides by this. So we're solving for y prime, or isolating y prime. So y prime is going to be equal to negative 2xy, negative 2x minus y, divided by x minus 2y. Now, if we want to negate everything, because we don't like this lead to be negative, just know you can do this. You don't have to, but just negate both sides. So y prime is going to give you 2x plus y. This is going to give you negative x plus 2y. So I'm going to write that as 2y minus x. So that does look kind of nice that way. So I'm going to leave my answer that way. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.